The pitot-static system is an essential component of an aircraft's instrumentation system that provides important measurements related to airspeed, altitude, and other flight parameters. It consists of two primary components, the pitot tube and the static port. 1. Pitot tube. The pitot tube is a small tube located on the exterior of an aircraft, typically on the wing or fuselage. 1. It is designed to measure the impact pressure of the air as the aircraft moves through it. 1. The pitot tube has a small opening facing forward, directly into the airflow. 1. This opening is connected to a pressure line that leads to the airspeed indicator instrument in the cockpit. The pitot tube measures the total pressure, which consists of two components, the static pressure and the dynamic pressure. The dynamic pressure is caused by the movement of the aircraft through the air, while the static pressure is the ambient atmospheric pressure. By subtracting the static pressure from the total pressure, the dynamic pressure, or ram air pressure, can be determined. This dynamic pressure is then used to calculate the aircraft's indicated airspeed. 1. Static port. The static port is a small opening on the aircraft's exterior that is connected to the static pressure line. 1. Unlike the pitot tube, the static port is not directly exposed to the oncoming airflow. 1. Instead, it is strategically located in an area where it can sense the ambient atmospheric pressure. The static pressure sensed by the static port is used in conjunction with the dynamic pressure from the pitot tube to calculate various flight parameters. It is connected to instruments such as the altimeter, vertical speed indicator, and air data computer. The static pressure allows for the determination of altitude, rate of climb or descent, and other relevant information. The pitot-static system is crucial for safe and accurate flight operations. It provides critical data to the aircraft's instruments, enabling pilots to monitor airspeed, altitude, vertical speed, and other essential parameters required for navigation, control, and situational awareness during flight. Regular inspection, maintenance, and verification of the pitot-static system are essential to ensure its accuracy and reliability.